jetzt kann ich auch mal meine Geschichte erzählen. Ich mache hier gerade mal was. Ganz kurz, Moment. Ich habe hier ein T-Shirt über, das ist ein...
Hello and welcome to a tutorial I have made during a Twitch stream. Usually those streams take like 2 or 3 or 4 hours. It took me 4 hours to make all of this because I kept talking to my people in chat. If you want to chat with me, please follow the link I will give you on the bottom of the video description. And yeah, maybe we can meet live on stream. For this tutorial I used a metal plate I have bought from IKEA several years ago. The good thing about those metal plates is that you can use magnets to fix the t-shirt and the fabric in place.
Ich möchte ein T-Shirt malen und das will ich schon ganz lange. Euch zeigen, wie sowas geht. Und ich mache das hier im Stream. Ist ein bisschen dunkel.
As you can hear, I am German, but if you want to visit me on Twitch and join my chat, I am happy to answer every English question, and I try my very best to explain to you the process of my artwork I make during live streams, like paintings, drawings, in normal artwork, in classic artwork, in classic paintings, or for example, digital paintings as well. Sorry, that's my English. It's not very good, but yeah, it will have to do. So now I fixed the fabric with my magnets, and yeah, I have printed the Twitch logo on a regular sheet of paper and covered it with some plastic foil to prevent the paper from soaking in the fabric paint. This is a fabric paint I have bought in Germany. It's a German brand, but it should be available everywhere, all over the world. It is important that you find a sturdy, a very thick pastry kind of fabric paint, because it's easier to stencil with this thick paint on your fabric. You can use a brush or a sponge to apply the paint to your t-shirt. And yeah, I will do some speed painting here so you can see how it's done. At the end I have made some splatters with the brush to add a little kind of random effect on my painting. And yeah, as a finishing touch I used some very thin turquoise kind of fabric paint from the spray paint bottle to add some turquoise like splatters and mix it with my fingertips. It's a kind of wet on wet technique. Now you have to let dry the whole thing. The best idea is to put it away overnight so the fabric paint will completely dry before you take the next step. On the next day I had another stream, and now it's time to paint the logo, because the t-shirt has dried and all the paint is dry. I could take my homemade stencil, my custom stencil, and add some color. Can you see that I'm a really very chatty person? I love to communicate, and I love to stream because I can talk to the people watching, and sometimes there are questions I have to answer, I want to answer, and yeah, I hope you will join me one day. Like I said, the description is the link is in the description below. Now again, I have used my magnets to fix this homemade stencil. First I have added some dark color for the shadow of this Twitch word, this logo, and after the dark color has dried, I have added some white color with the second part of the stencil. I will show you in this tutorial how I made the stencil, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. To prevent the stencil from being damaged in the process, I cover it with some sticky tape, as you can see here. Cover it with several layers, and then you can start to cut the stencil. This part of the tutorial is not recommended for children or minors. Please, if you want to do some cool logos on children's t-shirts, please prepare the stencil before you start crafting with the kids. Thank you. If you are pleased with the result, you can take off the stencil and voila, there's my logo. There are some minor mistakes I made when stenciling the black shadow, but after everything has dried, I took a brush, a very thin and fine brush, and some paint, and I worked on those small mistakes, and in the end it turned out absolutely perfect. And yeah, I love my new refashion t-shirt, and I hope you will try this one day. It doesn't have to be a Twitch logo, it can be any any word or any letters you like. If you use this technique of the two stencil technique, like the shadows with the first stencil and the other color with the second one, yeah, I hope you try this and let me know about it in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and I love you. My name is Bärbel, and I hope we see each other again.